competed. Next would be Nagiwaza or throwing techniques. Nagiwaza throwing techniques that will be formed are hand techniques, tewaza, morotisya nage or shoulder throw by hand, and kata guruma or shoulder wheel, ipon siyonagi. Hip techniques, okoshiwaza, haragoshi or sweeping hip throw, and ukigoshi or floating hip throw. Leg or foot techniques, ashiwaza, uchimata or inner thigh reaping throws, and osotogari or large or major outer reap. Flying
Balik ka inyo, hindi kayo. Banyolan, parang. Walang boost ka naman. Yun yung mat. Yun yung mat. Alam sa mat, no? Hugaw na yun. Ito.
The next part is randori, which is an application of different techniques in a competition in judo.
Look, sing us.
We have Masahiro Saito, a sensei who is a Japanese nationality, who comes from national team All Japan Judo and who is also a contemporary Olympic champion, legendary Yamashita Sensei, who is currently teaching us in USC Judo team for a short period of time. So a big hand for Sensei. And if you are interested to join the judo team, you can visit us at the USC Gym at AB 126 Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thank you.
Let us give them a round of applause.